Hey spooks, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this spooky unicorn face paint, then stay tuned. So to start off with, I'm going to go into this star stencil. As you can see, I've done a little practice run. And I'm going to sponge some purple stars onto my forehead. This purple colour is Tag Berry Wine. And the next step is I'm going to go into a yellow face paint, and this is Diamond FX Sunset Yellow. And we're going to paint on the unicorn's ears. Okay, and now I'm going to go into this beautiful autumn coloured split cake for the unicorn's hair. And then now I'm going to go into a gold face paint, and I'm going to use this for the unicorn's horn. Whilst I've got the gold on the brush as well, I'm just going to create inside of the unicorn's ears with some stripes of gold. Now I'm going to go into a black face paint with a fine brush, and I'm just going to outline all of the design. I'm going to add some spiderweb designs to the sides. I'm also going to paint some bats just onto the forehead. If you have a bat stencil, that might be a bit easier. Please ignore the shapes of my bats, I think they look terrible. Okay, now I'm going to go into a white face paint and highlight the design, and then it's pretty much done. Okay, to finish off, I'm going to go into some iridescent glitter onto the unicorn horn, and then I'm going to put some of this magical Halloweeny glitter just onto my cheekbones. And this is from Pro Glitz. I will leave a link to their website down below. I'm not sure the name, but I'll probably leave that in the description as well. As usual, to apply my glitter, apart from the fine one, because that one you can just pat on, I'm going to use aloe vera gel. And then just the finishing touches, I'm going to just really lightly sponge some gold onto my eyelids just so it doesn't stop so abruptly, and then add a bit of glitter as well. And also I think I'll apply a dark purple lipstick. For the lipstick, I'm going to use this Kat Von D Studded Kiss, and it's called Eggplant. I'm going to just sharpen the edges with this MAC lip liner, and this is in the colour Night Moth.